Welcome to Part 20 of Basic Electrical Engineering, Magnetism and Electromagnetic Fields. We're mastering the invisible blueprint essential for electrical installations. A magnet creates an invisible field where magnetic lines form closed loops. These lines exit the North Pole and enter the South Pole. Step 1 is magnetic flux, denoted by phi. It's the total number of magnetic lines of force produced by a source. We measure flux in Webers, WB, where 1 Weber equals 10 to the power of 8 lines. Step 2 is flux density, B. Concentration determines magnetic strength. It measures flux per unit area, with the formula B equals phi divided by A. We measure density in Tesla T. Step 3 is magnetizing force, H. Electric current creates a magnetic push. This effort from the current and coil turns is the magnetizing force, H. The formula is H equals Ni divided by L, measured in ampere turns per meter, AT per meter. The link between effort H and result B is permeability, mu. The equation is B equals H times mu. Permeability is a multiplier dictated by the material. High permeability significantly multiplies the magnetic effect. The molecular theory suggests that electrons create all magnetism. Electrons orbit the nucleus and spin around their own axis. This spin motion is the primary creator of the magnetic effect. Materials are classified as diamagnetic, paramagnetic, or ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic materials like iron strongly attract magnetic lines and have very high relative permeability. Electromagnetism in action shows that current flowing through a wire sets up concentric magnetic lines. The right-hand rule predicts the field direction, where the thumb is current and fingers are the magnetic field. Iron cores are crucial because low permeability air cores scatter flux. High permeability ferromagnetic cores concentrate the flux, which is essential for dense, controlled magnetic fields in electrical machines. We have mastered the invisible blueprint. Current I generates the magnetizing force H. The core material provides the permeability mu, leading to the target flux density B. You control this invisible circuit.